referee by good right hand up the head. But when he does, it's effective left hand by Manigos.
Very good left hand by Manigos. Approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
In yung timing, as you see. Good uppercut. Good.
Fighters will do
Good right hand
there by Manigos.
Good right hand again by Manigos.
Madalas ang mga Pinoy na boksingero ang dumadayo sa bansang Japan at lagi tayong nadidihado pagdating sa puntusan. Subalit nitong June 29, 2024 ay may isang matapang na Hapon ang dumayo sa Pilipinas na si Kakeru Mashimo para sagupain ang ating kababayan na si Jason Kanoy Manigos na ginanap sa Mandaue City, Cebu. Samantala si Kakeru Mashimo ay may undefeated record na 8 wins, 6 knockouts. Habang si Jason Manigos ay may record na 28 wins, 12 losses at 19 knockouts. Bagaman may mga talo na ang ating pambato dahil yan sa mga undefeated na kanyang nakasagupa. Katunayan pang 10 undefeated boxer na ang kanyang nakabakbakan. Lahat yun ay umabot sa unanimous at split decision ang kanilang mga naging laban. Isa na nga dyan ang sikat at kilalang boksingero na si Luis Pantera Neri na kanyang nakaharap. Samantala, pangalawang beses nang dumayo sa Pinas ang Hapon na ito. At ang una nga noong October, nang nakaraang taon lang, tinalo ni Kakeru Mashimo ang ating kababayan na si Marjun Pensinabes via second round referee technical decision. Samantala, ayon sa Hapon, ay muli niya daw ipapakita sa mga Pinoy kung paano niya dudurugin ang ating pambato. Tungayan kung paano binigyan ng unang talo ng Pinoy ang Japanese boxer.
With Omega Boxing, he was also present at the 15. Jason Kanoy Manigos, the veteran, previously he upset then undefeated. This veteran is very dangerous, and Mashimo should be very careful against this veteran.
The body and then going inside the head. Very good uppercut in the midsection.
Known his intentions early on in this fight.
Good strategy here by Manigos, immediately going
uncomfortable as much as possible by pressuring and cutting the ring.
Manigos. Now Mashimo has Manigos against the ropes. 2 hooks to the head by Mashimo. Very good defense there by Manigos, and then he was able to sneak in that uppercut in the midsection. However, very good offense here by Mashimo.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
Another very good uppercut by Manigos. However, he was very open for that left hook. More uppercuts from Manigos. Another hook by Manigos.
Manigos is showing this young kid that old man strength, Franco.
And he's hitting him with that uppercut. Maganda yung uppercut sa gitna ni Manigos. Pumapasok sa mukha ni Mashimo. Hindi lang siya dapat makikipagsabayan dito. Kasi, syempre, mas malaki, mas matangkad si Mashimo eh. He needs to get out of that corner.
There you go.
Another uppercut by Manigos.
But Manigos needs to be careful.
Now he has the Japanese in trouble. And we're seeing blood.
That's right. Early on in this fight. And this is a good strategy for Manigos, no? Because he's connecting with that uppercut. I told you, this guy is not a scrub.
And you have to rely on that old man strength. Now he's pushing Mashimo to the limit.
And the very first round at that, Manigos, uppercut again. Body shot by Manigos.
Formula, do the same thing, keep pushing the pace.
Absolutely right. Kasi if you are Manigos, your strategy is already working. So you have to maintain the pressure. This is an opportunity that he needs to take advantage of. Double hook from Manigos. But Mashimo is right there. And moments like this will show you what a fighter is made of.
How he deals with adversity.
Absolutely.
The veteran in Manigos definitely can definitely take the punishment. Now it's just a matter of sustaining his offense.
And the big question here, Franco, is how much damage did Manigos make and
kung ano yung magiging long-term effect nun. Kasi
That's right.
This is going to be for 8 rounds.
But Kakeru is hanging on in there and he's still fighting toe-to-toe against Manigos. I don't know if that's a good strategy. There you go. Manigos is very powerful with those counter shots.
Manigos has to throw combinations. He can't rely on that one punch na akala niya siguro babagsak. Kasi every time he throws in that uppercut, ibabawi naman sa'yo ni Mashimo 4. But he can't be careless. He can't be too careful as well. Jab straight there by Mashimo. Now he's picking up the pace, fighting at mid-range.
Good recovery by, good right hand by Manigos.
Just when you thought na medyo may deep breath si Manigos, pag bumato ng ganun, nabubuhayan ka.
That's right.
Overhand right by Manigos.
All it needs is one punch to change the fight, Franco.
Good body shots by Manigos. Huwag ka lang maubos. Good straight to the body.
And I think he hurt Kakeru with that in that exchange. But Kakeru
now he has Manigos against the ropes.
Taking a breather, it seems.
Oh.
But the uppercut once again is there, and left hand from Manigos. Caught Kakeru by surprise right there.
Good strategy here by Manigos, attacking the body and finishing with down. More than anything,
good body shot by Manigos.
Mas kailangan ni Manigos yung break na to. He needs to recover. Mashimo is from Yokohama Hikari Gym. Manigos is representing Asturias Boxing Gym. Eventful first round for Manigos. Nakabawi ng konti si Mashimo in the second round. Let's see how these fighters will perform in the third.
Franco, Mashimo's nose has been bleeding profusely since that first round, no? Courtesy of those uppercuts from Manigos.
And Manigos self to get pinned against the ropes. And as much as gusto niya makipagsabayan and he wants to counter, hindi pwedeng ihintayin niya yung mga suntok na gano'n. Because every time Mashimo, diba, throws combinations, minimum.
Good right hand by Manigos. Absolutely right, Franco.
Overhand right there by Manigos, followed up by that vicious uppercut. So far, no answer for Mashimo dun sa mga uppercut ni Manigos.
Good right hand. I think Mashimo got hurt.
He is wobbled. Mashimo is wobbled. His side. Good shot to the body. Another uppercut right in the middle for Manigos.
And body shot by Manigos.
Very good body shot.
Kakeru took it well though.
In this round. Another uppercut there by Manigos.
I think Kakeru needs to talagang, you have to give credit to the matchmaker, no? And good flurry by Kakeru.
Good head movement there.
The punches by Manigos seems to me deals damage.
Good overhand right by
Just
Manigos.
like that.
Another good left hand there by Manigos. Japan.
Good combination.
Attacks to Manigos. You know, he goes to the body, goes to the head.
And he got caught there. This is an opportunity for Kakeru to shift the momentum in his favor.
Very aggressive punches here by Kakeru Mashimo.
But Manigos did very well evading those punches, no? And now it's his turn.
Nagpapahinga siya ngayon. Good hook to the head by Manigos.
Halfway. Good combination by Manigos. I think Kakeru is hurt. He's not answering right
Manigos
now.
throwing everything. Throwing everything at the head of Kakeru Mashimo. Now he's urging the Japanese fighter to...
And the Japanese fighter, what a veteran is, down.
Setting up that uppercut in the middle.
Good defense from Manigos. But
Now Mashimo wants to go back to the body. Patiently waiting for that uppercut.
and there you go. Like we
flurry
said
by
earlier,
Manigos.
Manigos fights in spurts. But when he does, it's effective. Left hand by Manigos.
Very good left hand by Manigos.
Receive yung punishment pa because he's been taking a lot of damage in this fight. Good left hand from Manigos. There you go again. Left hook.
Two left hands by Manigos.
Right hand by Manigos.
Power
Double
shot.
left hook.
Power shot after power shot. Jaws is on another level of energy. Good jab there by
Good
Manigos.
combination by Manigos.
more left.
range and yung timing, as you see. Great combination by Manigos. And Kakeru is on his turtle shell right now.
Of the 5th round.
Good uppercut by Manigos.
What a way to end this round, John. To throw those hooks and those uppercuts sa gitna.
And now, pakilala agad si Manigos eh. Good combination from Manigos.
3-punch combination there to the jaw of Kakeru Mashimo.
Missed with a...
Normally sa 10 seconds na. Para lang itong dalawa to.
Good short left hand.
Here's advantage.
And for those watching, what Manigos has been doing is the perfect example of what your game plan should be against a taller opponent.
Final minute of round 7. Four-punch combination to the body. Mashimo still pushing forward.
Good right hand by Manigos. Left hand from Manigos.
Ending as we approach the final 10 seconds of this round.
Beautiful combination by Manigos.
Nagbubuhos na naman po si Manigos.
Giving a whole new meaning to wala nang bukas.
I hate to be the judges for this fight. I mean, all you score the impact. Minute 40 in the 8th.
They're running on fumes right now,
on
Franco.
fumes. Emptying the gas tank. Manigos pushing forward.
Slip a little bit
Manigos goes back.
by Kakeru.
What an onslaught from both these fighters. However,
Good left
Mashimo
hand by Manigos.
getting better. Malakas.
Yung volume favors Kakeru, pero yung impact. And he receives a left hand from Kakeru. Good.
Another up. See what these fighters will do.
Good right
Good
hand.
right hand there by Manigos.
Good right hand again by Manigos. He is spamming with that right hand and it's hitting the chin more.
Good shots there. Another right hand by Manigos.
What a fight! Unbelievable performance.
Panalo si Jason Manigos via 8-round split decision. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.